Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the fourth video in the series where we are building a YouTube using cursor. In the last video, we built a subscription management system and we had a subscription option, and when we clicked on it, we were redirected to subscription page where we could see the most recent videos uploaded by the channels that we have subscribed. And then when we click on the manage button, we were redirected to the manage page, and here we can manage all our subscriptions. Now in this video we are going to build the core feature of YouTube, that is video upload. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see on my screen, I have divided the whole task into three different parts. First part is the video upload, second part is the details update where we'll be adding title, discussion and tags among other things. In the third part, we'll be listing down the videos on the home page, the channel page and the subscriptions page, and we'll remove the dummy videos that we have, and then we'll proceed with all the fixes that will be needed in that process. Let's go through all the steps that is needed in the first part. We'll be adding a upload button. When we click on the upload button, a modal will open where we'll be able to select a video file for upload, and once the video file is selected, we'll divide it into multiple chunks of 5 MBs, and based on the number of chunks, we'll create an API which returns that many number of pre-signed URLs, and using those pre-signed URLs, we'll upload the chunks to S3 in parallel. Once all the chunks are uploaded, another API will be called from backend to mark the upload as complete, so that S3 combines all the chunks into a single video. And then the last thing will be to redirect the user to the video details form once the video upload is complete. So let's start with part 1 and feed it to cursor and see how it goes. So I'm just going to put it here. Please perform these steps uh, to build the video upload feature of YouTube. Make sure you attach key tags to pre-signed URLs and also add an API to mark the completion of the video upload. So this might take a few minutes. This might only perform the steps partially, and then we'll have to just proceed with the next step. So let's see. It is asking us to install some packages. I'm just going to do that. So it is saying that it is done with the backend changes. Now it wants to proceed with the front end changes, but first let's go ahead and copy this command and run it so that we are up to date. So we already have the env activated, so let's just go and enter. Okay, it's done. Now let's start the server. We also need to create an init.py, so let's just do that. Alright, so we have the videos app ready. Let's just accept it and say yes, we want to move ahead with the front-end implementation and wait for the changes to finish. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and add these keys, but before that I'm just going to accept all. Alright, so I'm back and I have added all the settings. Now I'm just going to migrate the changes. So okay, so we are done with migration. Now I'm just going to run the server. Alright, this is great. So the next part is that it wants to proceed with the front-end implementation. So let's just say yes. Okay, so it only added this one component, which is the video upload component, but then it is asking us to continue with adding the upload button to the navigation bar. We are just going to say yes after accepting this. Okay, it's done adding the button. It is saying these changes will add an upload button in the nav bar, show the upload modal when clicking the button, add API methods for video upload, maintain the YouTube style appearance. So that means it is mostly done with the changes. Now what I am going to do is I'll download a few dummy videos, and then I'll be back and we can start testing our video upload. Alright, so I have downloaded a few videos. Let's go ahead and start uploading. So if we click on video icon, this modal pops up. Now if you see, this choose file doesn't look good at all. But let's go ahead and test it. We can change it later. So let's say upload. Okay, first we need to add a title. Let's say example. Okay. It says failed to initiate upload. So let's go ahead and inspect it. Okay, we can't see any issues here. So okay, so let's go ahead with the part 2. Remove the title and description from the pop-up and make the choose file button ready, and we also need to have a progress bar so we can see the video upload progress. Once the video upload is complete, user should be redirected to the video details page similar to YouTube. Also, the video upload doesn't work and it says failed to initiate. So let's go ahead and enter this and see. So it's done. Now I'll create the video edit component next. Would you like me to continue? Let's accept this and say yes, we want to continue. Meanwhile, we can keep checking. Okay, looks like there is some issue here. Let's see if it fixes that. Otherwise, we'll just paste the issue and ask it to fix that. Would you like me to add the corresponding backend endpoints next? Yes, we want to do that. So let's accept it and say yes. Meanwhile, let's go and check if the issue is fixed. Looks like it is fixed. Let's go and see. There are some changes here. Okay, this looks really sweet. This is exactly what we needed. Okay, it has added the privacy choices, updating the serializers, and update the views to handle video details and thumbnail upload. Then it is asking us to perform migration again because it changed the model. So we can just go ahead and do that. Okay, it is saying that there is some issue here, but we can take care of that later. Maybe that is because of the migration. So let's run it. Okay, it is breaking. So basically we need to fix this first and then perform migration. Let's ask it to fix that. Can you fix this issue? Okay, it has identified the issue, so it is fixed now. Let's go ahead and run the migration. Now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and find the migrate command and then run that. So that is done. Now we are going to run the server. Now it is saying, would you like me to make any adjustments to these changes? So we are done with most of these changes. Now let's go ahead and test it extensively and see what issues we face and list them down here. So the first thing is the video upload. Let's refresh it once. Okay, this is nice. We go here. This is a 30 MB file. Let's start with 10 MB. Okay, it is saying failed to get upload URLs. So let's see what's the issue is. Okay, the initiate upload is returning 200, so it should be fine. Not sure what the issue is. Let's check the console here. Okay, so it says course issue. Let's copy it and paste it in the cursor and ask it to suggest fixes. Can you tell me how to fix this? So we'll suggest some changes to our S3 bucket. Okay, it is saying we need to configure core settings for the S3 bucket. Here is how to fix it. So it is saying that paste this configuration in the permissions tab inside the course section. So we are just going to copy this. So this is the course field. We are just going to save these changes and try uploading it again. This is the file. Looks like something is happening because it has not failed yet. Oh wow, it already finished far as we can see. Let's go ahead and see. Okay, here it says initiate upload, but it has not finished yet. And the other issue is it is showing more than 100%, which is weird. So let's go ahead and see if we have some objects here. Okay, we don't have any object here. So let's just note that down and ask it to fix. On selecting a video, the progress bar shows 167% without uploading any video. There is no API call after initiate upload or even in the network tab. So let's go ahead and ask it to fix these issues. It is saying let's fix the progress bar issue. The problem is likely in the progress calculation and chunk upload logic, which is correct. First the video should be uploaded and then the progress should be updated. It is saying the corrected version is here. This should fix the progress bar and ensure proper API calls are made. So let's accept and go test it again. So let's just go and try this. Okay, this time it actually called a lot of APIs. So if you go ahead and see, it says initiate upload, Again it says initiate upload instead of marking the video as complete. This is still an issue, but let's go ahead and see if we have some video here. Okay, we can't see any video, so most of the issues are there, but we have some things going on here, so let's just see what it is. This looks like a call to S3, which is great. We have 5 calls and we have also received 200, so looks like the part video upload was done, but actually it was not marked as complete, so that's why it didn't work. So let's go ahead and ask it to fix that. Instead of complete upload, initiate upload is called, and the upload is completed in the front end but can't see the file in S3. Also, it is trying to upload the videos with a chunk size of 2 MB, which is very small. So we should actually ask it to make it 5 MB per chunk. Chunk size should be 5 MB each. Also, the progress shows 167%, which is not correct. The progress bar says 167%, but the video is not uploaded. Also, the progress bar should be updated once the video upload is done. Progress bar should be updated once the video chunk is uploaded. So let's go ahead and feed these 4 fixes. Can you fix these issues? These changes will fix the progress calculation, error handling and logging, proper chunk size handling, unique file name, proper validation of e-tags. This is super important to keep all the chunks in order when the S3 is building a complete file from the chunks. Better tracking of upload progress and issue with upload completion. Looks like it has identified most of the issues, so let's go ahead and see. Okay, we are going to clear this and try uploading again. So let's see. Okay, it called initiate upload. It uploaded these, but again looks like 5 different chunks. That means 2 MB each. Okay, it showed 100%. Now it again says 167%, which is not correct. It also didn't call the complete upload, so looks like it is still not working. It called initiate upload but no complete upload. Let's just do step by step because it is not able to figure it out. Once the video chunks are uploaded, complete upload API should be called. So let's just paste this one thing and see if it is able to fix. At least the API should be called, which is not happening right now. Okay, so it has added a lot of things, but let's see how many issues are fixed so far. So let's clear this and test it again with 10 MB. Okay, it is waiting for these two. Okay, complete upload is failing. So let's just see bad request. Let's just feed it here and see if it fixes the issue. We can see now the 167% issue is something really minor, and it is happening because it is counting more than what it is uploading. I think if we just tell it that, it will be able to fix it quickly. So let's just write a command for that. Looks like progress bar is counting more chunks than there are. Okay, now let's accept this and first test. Let's clear this thing, try to upload it again. So it is still showing pending. Okay, there is some detailed error here. Great, your proposed upload is smaller than the minimum allowed size. It is saying the entity is too small. All right, so that means we need a larger video maybe. So let's try a 30 MB. Let's go ahead with the 30 MB and see. There are 2 left. There is 1 left. Oh wow, it worked pretty well for a 30 MB file, but for the 10 MB it didn't work at all. So let's see, because the complete upload is successful, we must have a video here. Okay, this looks great. We actually have a video here. So that means the small files smaller than 30 MB are not working. So in those cases, we should consider uploading the videos some other way. So let's just note that issue as well. If the video size is 10 MB, the complete upload API is failing with error entity 2 small. So these are the two issues that we want to fix. Okay, let's first go ahead and test all these things and see if these are working fine. We can add a title like example title, description. Okay, we want to upload a thumbnail, but right now I don't have a thumbnail, so let's skip that. Here we can add anything. So let's save as private for now. Fail to save video details. It says unauthorized. Let's try again. Okay, it is again saying unauthorized. That means we have been somehow marked logged out. So if I refresh this, yeah, let's ignore that for now and move ahead with our video upload. We can come back to that later. So let me sign in again and go ahead with the video details. Alright, we are back in, but we can't see our video because we are not listing the videos here. So let's clear this and try uploading the same video again. Yes, so let's wait and see if it actually goes up to 167% again or not. Okay, it didn't go to 167%, so that is fixed. And it didn't return any 401, so hopefully everything will be fine this time. So this will be example title. This will be okay. This is okay. Now we are going to publish. So that means it is saved and it is working fine. Now we just need to list those videos here. We are going to do that in the next part. But before that, let's go ahead and fix these two things. We can ignore it for now because this is minor. Looks like this one is fixed. So the only issue is this one. In the part 3, we have to list the videos on 3 different pages. The first page is the channel page where I will have all types of videos that I have uploaded, unlisted, private, public. But on the subscription page, it should only be the videos of the channels that I have subscribed to. And then on the home page to display all the public videos. Let's just modify this prompt a little bit. It says on channel home page show published videos which are public. On the main home page and subscription show published videos which are public. So here we should say show all the published, either private, public or unlisted. We also need to add the APIs for the same. Let's add another prompt here. Add the required APIs for different video listing pages like channel home, channel videos, subscriptions, and main home page. So let's feed this here and you implement this. Okay, one thing that we have not done is we have not added any thumbnails. Maybe we can handle that later. And in this video, we can just go ahead with the video icons similar to what we already have. So let's just go and say accept all. And it is saying, would you like me to continue with the channel view and subscription view? Yes, there is some issue here. It should be fixed in the next iteration, so we don't need to worry about it. So it is adding subscription view, channel view to show the channel videos. Let me know if you need any clarification or adjustment, so we'll come back to that. Let's accept this and go ahead and test it. Okay, this issue is still there, so let's go ahead and copy, paste it. There is an issue in the console. Probably we need to download this package. Yeah, it is saying install this. So let's just go ahead and copy this. Or it is saying we can use a simpler date formatting approach without the dependency. And it actually went ahead with that. So we don't need to install anything and it is fixed, which is great. Okay, so I uploaded videos, but we can't see any video here. And it says subscribe when it is my own channel. Let's go ahead and see home. We don't have anything on the home page either. The subscription failed to load subscription videos. Okay, it is throwing 500. So let's just see. It is saying object has no attribute subscriptions. Let's just feed it and ask it to fix. Also can't see any videos on my channel even though I uploaded many videos during testing. Can you check if the videos are being saved correctly? It is saying the error occur because we haven't properly set up the relationship between channel and subscription models. So it is making some changes to the models. We might need to do some migration again. So let's go ahead and do this. But before that, we are getting some issues again. Let's just go and feed this. Let's accept and feed this another issue. So let's just run this. Looks like it is working. Now run the server and everything seems to be working correctly except these changes. Okay, let's see if we run into any issue or not. Okay, we can see many files here that we had uploaded, but this doesn't look good, so we can just ask it to replace the thumbnail with the video icon like before. But let's go ahead and check the channel. Okay, the channel is not loading, so there is some issue there as well. So let's go ahead and ask it to fix that. But we are also going to ask it to fix, can you fix this? Also, if thumbnail for a video is missing, can you use the video icon like before? So looks like it has fixed both the issue. Let's go ahead and test it. So it is still showing failed to load. Let's go ahead. Subscription is also failing to load. This looks nice. So basically the front end issue is resolved, but the back end issue is not resolved. So let's go ahead and copy this issue, and so it should be able to detect. So first it is saying that migrate. So make migrations and then migrate. Alright, for now let's start the server. Okay, these two videos fine. On the home page also we have two videos. Now the only thing is the subscription thing. Let's go ahead. All right, I think that's it. I'll test it later and fix if there is any issue. All right, guys, that was a lot of changes, but we are finally done with one of the core parts of YouTube, that is video upload. And in the next video, we are going to work on background tasks, which will convert the uploaded videos into streaming videos. So stay tuned. And if you like these videos, share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, put in the comment section down below. And see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.